Hi everybody, it's Cheri Sicard, aka Cannabis Cheri here, and I am back from summer vacation. If you follow me regularly, you knew I took the past couple of months off, and boy oh boy did that time fly by. If you're one of my younger viewers, trust me when I tell you that the older you get, the quicker that time goes by. Yep, listen to your favorite auntie. Okay. Well, I also had a great time this summer, though. I did do a lot of work on non cannabis related projects, but I also did a fair amount of travel. I got to explore a lot of the beautiful state of New Mexico, and I kind of capped off the summer by going to the California State Fair, which was amazing because they have a huge cannabis exhibit, they have cannabis for sale, a cannabis competition, even a cannabis consumption lounge right at the state fair. But I'm not going to talk about too much about the state fair today because it's almost a year away before it happens again. So I'm going to do a separate video about the California State Fair in time to remind you about it next year. But if you're thinking forward, you're going to want to put the California State Fair in Sacramento on your calendars, and it happens in the summer. I went in August. It lasts about a month, so you're going to want to check that out. Okay, today's video is about some favorite new swag I got, and I must confess I do love me some swag, meaning promotional items meant to promote a brand. But swag is only good if it is useful too, and I've got two great items to show you that you can also purchase. Before I get to that, though, I just want to remind everybody hit that YouTube subscribe button and notification bell because I try to upload new videos every Wednesday. And hit that like button too if you get value out of my videos because it helps me be seen in YouTube's algorithm. So, as I said, I just love me some great swag. And at the California State Fair, I went for their awards day. I was accompanying Pebbles Trippet, a legendary activist that was awarded with the Lifetime Achievement Award at the California State Fair. And so I was honored to accompany Pebbles to the fair that day. So, of course, we got the royal treatment from the sponsors. And I love swag, but these are items you can actually buy. I have two favorite items here, and there they are. And I'm going to talk about each of them separately. There we go. I've got that the right way. Let's start with the rolling tray. Now, it may just look like an ordinary rolling tray, and I guess it is, but I love the super size of it. It's great because it lets you have more room when you're rolling your joints or just for the general stoner sprawl that always happens. This was from the sponsor of the consumption lounge at the California State Fair, Embarc. And if you are visiting California or you live in California, Embarc has great dispensaries all over the state, and I am going to put a link in the comments below. I also love the travel theme, the high from California, kind of like a vintage postcard. So I do love this rolling tray. I don't know that you can buy this exact one, but you can buy jumbo rolling trays just like it. But my most favorite bit of promotional swag is this. It is a silicone ashtray from the folks at Blazy Susan. And Blazy Susan, I'm going to put a link below too. They have a lot of great products, especially for managing that stoner sprawl, as I said. So I hope to be able to review some of those in the future. However, these silicone ashtrays are amazing, especially when I'm traveling on the road in my RV like I am now. What's so great about them? Well, they don't break. You can drop them, whatever, it's not going to break. And they're foldable, they're lightweight. You just rinse them out, they're easy to clean. So I do love these silicone ashtrays. Coincidentally, right after I got this one at the state fair, I went to visit some friends and they immediately were excited to show me the latest gadget they had found on Amazon, silicone ashtrays. And I'm like, yes, I love them. But you can order these on Amazon. A lot of advantages. They're also really inexpensive. You can get them for about $2 a piece, so I know what's on my stoner stocking stuffer list this holiday season. Anyway, I do love swag. That's the report. I hope you will be back with us. I should be back to our regularly scheduled every Wednesday programming after taking the summer off. So thank you so much for indulging me with that. And I will see you all next week. Bye bye.